Save this recipe if you are mala fans. It's so easy, you only need air fryer for this recipe. Appetizing mala fish meat is tender, good to go with rice. Let's start now. Sliced potato. Chopped chili potty. Sliced button mushrooms. Fillet cut half. Place fillet into pan, sprinkle cooking oil. Air fried at preheat. Air fryer at 180 degree 10 minutes. Drizzle mala sauce after 10 minutes. Add button mushroom and potatoes sliced. Listen to the cooking sound. Sprinkle chili potty. Air-fried mala fillet is done. Smells so good. You may add ingredients you like lotus root, small corn. No seasoning is required as mala sauce is flavorful. Give it a try and share this recipe with your family. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Thanks for watching. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. See you in next video.